Hello Mindseed family, welcome to Mindseed Mini FM where little voices make a big difference.
Today is a very special day. It's National Unity Day. Do you know what unity means? Yes, unity means staying together. Like we hold hands about some good time. When we all clean up after toy time.
Exactly. Unity means being one big team, helping each other and spreading love.
Unity Day is celebrated on 31st October, the birthday of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the Iron Man of India. We help bring all the states on the India to like important pieces, joining to make picture. That's why you call him the man who united in India.
Unity makes us strong, just like a Mindseed family. When we work together, help our friends and share, we make the world a happier place.
Together we can do anything. Even tiffin finish super fast. Help each other. Spread kindness. Unity is our strength. Mindseed FM सुनते रहे. Stay